Is your Hello Baby monitor not charging? Don't worry. Most charging issues can be resolved at home with simple troubleshooting steps. First, ensure the power adapter is securely connected to both the monitor and the wall outlet. A loose connection is often the simplest cause of charging problems. Next, carefully inspect your charging cable for any visible damage. Look for bends, frays, or exposed wires that could prevent proper charging. A blinking or solid red light on your monitor often indicates a charging problem or battery fault. This is an important diagnostic signal to watch for. Test the electrical outlet with another device to ensure it's working properly. Sometimes the problem isn't with your monitor at all. If possible, try a different USB cable and adapter. Avoid using phone fast chargers, as they may not be compatible with your baby monitor's charging requirements. If these quick fixes don't resolve the charging issue, you'll need to move on to more in-depth troubleshooting methods, which we'll cover in the next section. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced fixes can resolve charging issues. First, clean the charging port using a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol to remove dust and debris. Next, try reset procedures. A power reset involves unplugging the monitor for 30 to 60 seconds. For a hard reset, use a paperclip to press the reset pinhole button. For battery-operated models, try reseating the battery. Open the battery compartment on the back, disconnect, and reconnect the battery from the motherboard. If the battery still won't hold a charge, replacement is necessary. Use a compatible 3.7-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, typically 3,500 milliamp hours. If none of these advanced fixes resolve the issue, contact Hello Baby customer support or seek professional repair. They can provide model-specific guidance or arrange warranty service.